Hey guys, welcome to this video for the UWANT Y100 portable steam carpet cleaner. This is good for cars, spills, pet stains. I'm using it on the car today. You can see it's a really small, compact unit with a powerful punch, I would say. If I had to describe this, it's real simple. You got cold water, hot water, and then you got the steam function. We'll get to all that in just a moment. There's the power cord, which is really long. Well, look how long this power cord is. I would say it's probably 10 or 15 feet stretched out. It's got a 3-prong grounded plug on it. I was really impressed with that because these things always come with really short power cords. And that's probably about 5 feet, maybe 6 feet. It's got a nice little standard cleaning head on it, little scrub brush, easy to take off. Just push that clip, and to spray it, you push the button. And it comes with this Oxy spot stain remover. We're going to try that out. Just a little precursor. It smells really good. And this smells really good. And there's everything it comes with. A little instruction manual. Got all your attachments, little scrub stuff. It even comes with a measuring cup to measure the fluid to put in the container. And this is for your steaming. Those two pieces, you put them together, and then you can steam. You can even use it in your house, like on the kitchen, to keep your counters sanitized. And there's the tank. You know, it's not the largest tank, but this is a spot steamer, you know. You put your liquid in there, your detergent, your carpet cleaner. See, you can put your clean water in there, fill it up, and then it comes with that little cup I was telling you about. So we just poured some of it in there, the spot remover. And then we filled the rest up with water. Just used a water hose to fill it up. I couldn't wait to get started because I just had a feeling this thing was gonna do a really good job. And we set it to hot. Now if you don't set it to hot, that's steam right there. The first one is for cold water. So if you just want it to come out the way it is, and there's our stain that we're going to try to be getting out. Our dog had a little bit of a mishap in the truck, so we decided to try it on this. You know, it's got some dog hair in there, so first we got to vacuum and get it cleaned up. But you can see it's a pretty dingy looking. It needs it. So let's go ahead, and there we are, just trying to do a quick vacuum, get some of that dog hair out before we did the steam cleaner. So now we're spraying the spot cleaner. We sprayed it really good. We wanted to give it a good shake, you know, a fair chance. And it smells really good. I can't explain how it smells, but it's actually a pleasant scent. It's not overpowering. And here we go. We start steaming, and it blows the steam. We couldn't believe how well this thing puts out the steam. I mean, this works better than the name brand stuff we bought. We were really impressed. So we gave it a good cleaning. It didn't leave the seats soaked. You know, they were just a little bit damp, so the vacuuming function worked really well. You can see right there, it's picking up. I think we spilled a frappe on the passenger seat a few weeks ago, and it's picking up all that frappe. We thought we got it all, but this thing showed us that we didn't. It's picking up every bit of that frappe. And there we just set it inside the truck. I mean, that's how small it is. It's flat, and it doesn't tip over easy. You can see it's still picking up that frappe. It does a really good job. We were really surprised. We wanted to demonstrate how much water this thing puts out. Look at that. And the steam cleaning, you know that it's clean because of all that hot steam. I mean, it's really steamy. This was what was in the tank. And we have a little bit left inside of there. So we went ahead and dumped out all the nastiness that was picked up out of those seats. And now we're going to remove the head. We're just going to do a quick demonstration of the steam function. Normally you would use this in your house to disinfect. Then we turn it on to the steam function. So now we're going to be blowing out steam. And look at that. So if you got small children and you want to keep everything clean in your house, just go around spraying the doorknobs, the kitchen counters. And usually you'll do it enough and that water will evaporate on its own. It's just so hot that it does the cleaning and then it evaporates. But we were super impressed. But this is good for like a good fluff up as well. Like if you want to use that to just give your furniture some life, use that steam function for that. And there's the stain is gone. So we did a little bit more cleaning after this. And there's the before. And guys, I have to say, this is the after. Believe it or not. So guys, I definitely recommend this. And if you like this video, like it. If you don't. We'll see you in the next video.